Welcome to another Loyal and Save training. To access the Campaign module, click on Loyalty, Campaigns. Click on the Add New button. The We Miss You coupon is a special reward type aimed to re-engage your customers who have not interacted for a specific period, offering discounts or other benefits to entice your customers to return and make a purchase in your store. From the drop-down reward types, select We Miss You coupon. Under the Details tab, enter in the name of the campaign. In the description field, enter in the message you would like to send to your customer. Active. This flag will enable the campaign. Age-restricted topics. Select age-restricted topics if the campaign alert will only go to age-verified customers. Tags. Enter in a tag to identify the campaign. Month duration. In this section, you can determine when you would like to have the email sent to your customer. You can either send it by 1 month, all the way up to 12 months. This will send an email to your customers to engage them back into your store. Next, let's take a look at the Coupon tab. Under the coupon name, enter in the name of the coupon. Under Coupon Type, select the coupon type. You may either choose a dollar amount off, a free item, or a percentage off. In this example, let's select percentage off. Under the coupon value, enter in the percentage amount off. Header lines. Header lines will appear on the coupon. You can have up to 3 header lines. Text lines are the rules of the coupon. You can add up to 5 text lines. Expiration type. You can set the coupon to never expire, a static date, or days after issue. Once per sale, the number of coupons that can be used by a customer per sale. Expiration notification. This will send a notification to your customer 10 days before the coupon expires. Next, let's take a look at the coupon filters. This will designate how the customer will be able to use the coupon. By toggling this on Yes, the customer will be able to use the coupon for all products in the store. Click on the Save button to save your changes. This concludes our Loyal and Save training on how to create campaigns.